In this video, I will be showing you how to reset your password on the Wispr Flow platform. Let's get started. I'll begin on the login screen. I start by typing my email address into the designated field. Since I've forgotten my credentials, I'll go ahead and click on the Forgot Password link located right below the input boxes. This brings me to the Reset Your Password page. I'll enter my email address one more time here to identify which account needs the reset. To keep the site secure, I'll click the I am human checkbox to complete the HCAPTCHA verification. Once the green checkmark appears, I'll click the Send Reset Email button. The button status briefly changes to Sending, and then I'm automatically redirected back to the main login screen. If you look at the bottom right corner, a small notification confirms that the password reset email has been sent successfully. Now, I'll navigate over to my Gmail inbox to find that message. I see the email from Wispr Flow titled, Reset Your Password for Flow, right at the top of my list. I'll click to open the message and then select the Reset My Password button. This opens a new tab and takes me to the Reset Your Password page where I can create a new login. I'll click into the New Password field and type in my chosen password. Then, I'll move down to the Confirm Password field and type the exact same password again to ensure there are no typos. Once both fields are filled out, I'll click the purple Reset Password button. A confirmation message pops up saying, Password reset successfully, in green. And that's it, my password is now updated and I'm ready to log back into my account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.